Hi everyone, this is the Mamiya Polaroid film back for the Mamiya 645 TR Pro. So this is the back, this is the front, this is the top, this is the bottom, this is one side, this is the other side. I can't really comment much because I never shot a Polaroid before, but I can show you how is the condition of this item. So to open, I push open here. So this is where you put your Polaroid film. I'm not sure how it works, but it should work because it just depends on the Polaroid for the picture only, right? So yeah, so there you go. This is the film back for the Mamiya 645 Pro, the Polaroid film back. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. It will really help. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye. God bless.